Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Coachella, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you searching for a cheap Coachella moving company? 3 Movers is not only affordable, but also very reliable. We offer local and long-distance moving services for students, homeowners, renters, business owners, veterans, and anybody else. When you need help moving, we make sure you get the best possible experience. Relocating across the country or even just 100 miles away is a big deal. You'll have to get used to a new city, neighborhood, and maybe even a new state. Our team will make the moving portion of relocating much easier. We offer all the right long-distance moving services for your needs, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. You might struggle to rationalize hiring a California moving company for a local move. However, as you realize how much you have to pack up, load up, and move, you might be ready for some more help. When you hire a local moving company, you save time and don't have to do the heavy lifting. We can even do the packing and unpacking if you prefer. 3 Movers saves you from having to worry about moving day. We streamline the entire process to get you settled into your new location faster. A move that would take you all weekend to complete, we get done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Coachella moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.